Do you know the inside layout of this container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet container. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have kitchen cum bed area here. The size of this area is 15 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 4.57 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose, and also we have two steps and we have drawer below steps. After that we'll go left side. So we have bed here and a tabletop here and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. On the right side of the container house we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of this washroom is 4 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 1.21 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilators for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.